I know how it looks. It looks like there's a giant camera on this RC car, but actually the camera's not that big because the car is not that big. So this is the WL Toys 6401. It's a 1/64 scale, fully proportional RC car controlled through an app. Not only is it fully proportional, but it looks like it does come with some LED lighting. You have the FPV, it films in 720p. Of course we need the Wi-Fi connection because it drives with an app, USB charging, and self-stabilization. So this little car has a gyro on it. So it does have rubber tires. There's not much suspension. There's zero suspension in the back. You might get a little bit of play in the front. You get nothing in the back. Here's your on-off switch. We got headlights and tail lights. And then there's your USB-C charging port. And the battery is a little 100 milliamp hour single cell LiPo battery. The camera is held on and powered through magnets. There is no controller. It is all driven off of your phone on the WL Toys app, which right there's the QR code for that. Well, let's charge this up first and then we will take it out and do a little FPV driving with it. Okay, I got this car all charged up and let's put the camera on. Oh, first thing we have to do is take that little plastic film off or your picture is going to be a little bit blurry. So we'll turn the car on. Got a flashing light. That means it's trying to bind with the app. First thing we have to do is we have to go into the Wi-Fi and we have to connect. And that number is gonna be your password. Right there, you can see it's up in the top there where it says enter the password. It's right there, so you'll be able to easily put that in. We'll hit join. And we are now connected to the car. Let's go into the WL Tech FPV car. Let's hit start and we'll hit ready to races. I think they mean ready to race. It says would like to find and connect device. Yes, we are going to allow it. And there we go. I hit the gear and now, oh, we have like underglow too. I don't know if you can hear it over the wind, but it does have a gyro. And now let's go through some of the features. This is for a picture, and then we have video. So you just hit that and it starts recording. You can see the counter right there. Let's stop that. This is called return folder. That takes you to your photos and your videos. Here is VR, and that's for VR headsets. You get the side-by-side image there. Lane assist is right here. And what that does is, you see how those lines turn? I don't know that that'll actually really help you out. And then this is for one-handed control. And then if you hit it again, you have two-handed control where you can like hit forward and backwards. And it is proportional, like I said. Now, even though you think I'm at top speed, I'm not at top speed because this is defaulted at 30%. So that's as tight as the circle at 30%, but let's increase that. And to increase that, see right there, it says 30%. Let's do 100. Yeah, look how tight that turn is now. Much better. So let's do the same with the throttle and go right up to 100 and oh yeah, much faster. A little tough to control at 100%, something to get used to. Oh, I can't believe I went over that grate. I almost would rather have it at a less percentage for the turning. So this is FPV, so I'm gonna drive. You know what? I am gonna lower this down to about 50%. Whoa, whoa, whoa. A little bit of dirt. We were working here in the shop. Yeah, I'm doing FPV. As you can see, I'm not watching the car. I'm watching the controller. Whoa! Don't want to hit that lift. Let's go back. Whoa, that was close. Let's go back over here. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Let's back up. Let's go under the workbench. This little car's pretty neat. Actually, I'm gonna go back to 30% on the steering. I think it is easier. Oh no! I think it is easier to drive at 30%. Easier to control. Go over our little dirt pile there. Let's go under the workbench again. Ooh, I wonder if I fit under the... Nope. Oh, maybe I will. Nope. Oh no, I'm in my... Am I trapped? Am I going to be trapped? Oh, it has taillights too. See the taillights? Oh, I am trapped because there's like concrete chipped out of there. But let's see if I can get out of here. No. Oh, backwards I could get out. Oh no, I'm stuck on the grate. Couldn't make it off that time. So as I mentioned before, it does have one-handed controls. You can do your forward, reverse, and left and right turning, all with one finger. Let's see how easy that is. Okay, let's turn to the right, go around in a circle, and oh, turn to the left. All right, stop, back up. Yeah, that's actually not that hard to do. Kind of like the one-handed control. Well, that is pretty cool. I do like this car. Very small, super tiny, and it's not that expensive. So a good buy with this. But that'll be it for this video. I will leave a link to this down in the description below where you could pick one of these cool little cars up and hit that subscribe button while you're at it.